What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Chiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing a FreeTress Equal wig. I haven't reviewed FreeTress in God knows how long, but I'm going to be doing the new Illusion frontals, and this is IL-002, and I have it in the color too. I'm getting right into the construction and everything on this unit. So it already says on the box it's a 5-inch parting space, so I guess it would be a 13 by 5-inch unit. Does it clarify that for me though? It also says ear to ear, so I'm assuming it's a 13 by 5-inch. So you get an extra inch than the standard 13 by 4. I didn't see a whole lot of reviews on this yet, and I'm salty because I wanted to see how it looked on other people first, but oh well, here I go. So the lace on this wig it's a little hard. I wouldn't say hard, it's a little tough, but it's not like hard lace, even though I love hard lace. But it's not hard lace, it's still soft lace, but it's just a little bit, like something about it's just a sturdier construction. Let me show you. So the front of the lace, it seems a bit thicker to me than like the What Lace Collection or Outrage's Perfect Hairlines. It's a little bit thicker than those, but it's still a thin gradient hairline. You can still see my finger there. I am still going to pluck this, however, just to give it a little more naturalness around the hairline. I'm not going to go in and thin it out, but I am going to do my hairline. Y'all know I'm going to do my hairline if I don't do nothing else. Inside of the cap, we have 2 combs on the side, in the back, and of course we have adjustable straps and an elastic band. It also has the scratch your scalp what? That's really hard to say. That it has the scratch your scalp cap construction. See? Alright, and then I don't know yet if I'm going to switch to a black wig cap or not. I think I will, because this looks like you can see the line pretty well. Oh, and also, as you can see, it comes with baby hair. I probably won't use them, though. So I'm going to work on this wig, customize it and all that, and then I'll come back and I'll give you guys the rest of my thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And stay through to the end, because you might have got the comment shout out in this video. You never know.
You right here and right now.
It does have some pros and cons, so want to give y'all the full details of what you're going to get. So I'm going to start with my favorite part right now, which is the hairline. You guys, I did pluck. You don't necessarily have to pluck. I would recommend, if you want the most natural looking hairline, to pluck it just a little bit. I didn't use the baby hairs. I just pushed them back, and I also thinned them out while I was plucking so it wouldn't be as much, because it was a little thick, but it wasn't super thick. But you guys, this is the best synthetic wig hairline I've had yet. Out of all of these new wigs that have been giving us the HD and Illusion hairlines and all of those things, this is the best one. I do not have any glue, gel, free spray, nothing holding this down. This literally was just slapped on my head. The only place that I put Just a little bit of Got To Be was on my side so that they would stick to my head right in here. But other than that, no, I didn't do nothing. I didn't even put any concealer, no nothing on this hairline to blend in with my scalp, and it just blended perfectly. So when they said that this was an illusion hairline, they meant that. They were not playing no games with this hairline. Low key, really the easiest wig I ever had to install, because I didn't even have to, like, I had to blend this. I know I said that, but like, I really need you all to understand, I didn't have to blend this. I know I'm really hyped, but it's because I'm excited. Like, what? I'm shook. The only product I put, as y'all saw, was in my hairline, and that was just so lighten up the part, because you know I got on a black wig cap. So as I told y'all, I have this in the color 2, and I did adjust my elastic band in the back to fit a little better, because it does fit like already set for a bigger head, I guess, or it's just set really wide, so you're gonna have to adjust it if you have a medium to small head. It is heat safe, as you saw me use my hot comb up to 400 degrees. If you're using this hot comb, which is available in my Amazon store, link in the description box, I use mine on 10 when I'm using my synthetic wigs, because I guesstimate that's probably not too high for it to melt. The curls are more of a wavy, loose wand curl than it is more of like the barrel curls with your curling iron and like the layers and stuff like that. This doesn't, it has long layers towards the bottom, but it doesn't have any like real layers. The texture of this hair feels great. It's got like a nice little coarseness to it. It's not too silky, but I can tell, like looking in my mirror, that, you know, it looks synthetic. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look like a total virgin hair dupe either. Definitely a tangler. I have been untangling this unit pretty much the whole time I've been styling it. It's bad, but honestly, for the hairline and how easy it was, I get over it. This is like the first frontal synthetic unit I could ever say you can literally kind of like slap this on and go the same way you would with like a lace part unit. If you're gonna wear it with your edges covered, you honestly don't even need to tack the sides down the same way either. Like, you can skip that if you just gonna, you know, keep it covered. It does cover my edges for the most part. I got a little tiny piece out, but that's not bad, and I get that a lot, so that's not, you know, unnormal. But it does pretty much cover ear to ear. It is super long. Can I even show you how long? It goes to about, yeah, it's pretty much waist length. As far as shedding, I will be 100% transparent here. Not that my video isn't 100% transparent anyway. It does, well, here's the thing. When I plucked the unit, I just brushed it all out at once, so I really didn't get a chance to see how much of a shedder it was beforehand, because, you know, all of the hair that I plucked out was mixed in with the hair. So I would say after brushing it out numerous times at this point, it sheds a little bit, but nothing insane. Once you're through, like, plucking the hair and all of that is taken care of, it hasn't been bad. Like, you know what? Let me just try it now for y'all. We can all look at it together. Yeah, see that? I'm getting some few strands in there, so it does shed a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with this back view right quick. So density wise, I would say it's probably about 150% density. I love it because it's like super flat on the top, and then it gets fuller at the bottom. That's why I love 150%. You get the best of both worlds. Not too thick, not too thin. Really, the only real issue here with this is the tangling. So if you can look past that and you really like this hairline, I would say go for it. But like, please know that that's there. Like, don't buy it without knowing that that's there. You know, sometimes you just gotta pick your poison with these units, because I mean, flawless hairline, but it tangles a little bit. It'd be nice if they could just give us both in one, but you know, that's not what happened. Now, I will say this: if you are a lighter skin tone or a darker skin tone than me, you may have to blend it. So just let me be fully clear on that part. It fits my skin tone perfectly. I didn't have to blend a thing. So if you're pretty close to my skin tone, you shouldn't have an issue. I can't wait to see it on people of different skin tones other than mine, to see how that works for them too. See how flawless this illusion hairline really is. Comment shout out in this video goes to Mimi is Mighty Incredible. She has a natural hair channel, so check her out if you're into natural hair care. She got some good tips for you. Shout out to you, girl. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and supporting me with your comments and your feedback and all that good stuff. If you would like to be the next comment winner, comment down in this video or any of my other videos. I check my comments and I pick a winner for each video, and it might just be you next. You never know. So thank you guys so much for watching. This unit will be linked down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.